and today I'm going to teach you how to set up DNS on your Samsung Smart TV. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process, alright? And this DNS, guys, will make your Wi-Fi internet faster, okay? It helps pages load faster and is more reliable, since it's a Google DNS that I'm going to show you how to set up. So watch the video from start to finish, and without further ado, I'm going to show you how to configure this DNS. First, on your remote, press the house button, okay? That way you'll get to this screen, or you can press the home button, right? Also known as the home button. And then you're going to go here to settings. Inside settings, guys, scroll down to the fourth option, which is general. Click on this general option, okay? To access this section, click on the general option and then go into the network option, alright? After you go into network, click here on network status. Click on this network status option. After that, guys, go into the second option called IP settings. Go into that option and scroll down to DNS settings. Obtain automatically will be set by default, and you're going to change it to enter it manually. I'll also leave this DNS in the video description, okay? But I'm going to fill it in here. Look, in DNS server, you hit OK and enter 888. It's 4 identical digits right there. That's what you're going to put in the DNS on your Samsung Smart TV. Alright guys, all done? Just hit OK down here, right here. You've hit OK and the Google DNS is already applied, which will make loading pages faster, right? If you use streaming services, it'll also really help with loading times. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell and leave your like, because that'll really help the channel grow. On the final screen, I'll leave 2 videos for you. Click on one of them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. See you next time. I'm out.